checking out the submarine, and the guy said 80 men live on this. And he said after the battleship, and I was claustrophobic, wait till you go on the submarine.
We're going on a submarine.
This is a submarine. It's supposed to hold 80 people. It's not really wide.
And it's raining.
And it's raining.
It's over my head.
Upper deck. The entry of the submarine.
More stairs.
It probably goes way, way, way down.
Are you freaking kidding me? More stairs?
No food or drinks allowed in submarine except water. Wow. The entry of the submarine. Wow. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Go.
Is that it? Oh wow, they are right. It's really tight. This door is like probably 4 foot.
No.
Oh wow. 80 people stayed in here. Yeah, he's right behind me. They're so narrow. I would say these hallways. What would you say these hallways are?
Really tight.
I'd like to be underwater. The pressure.
Your ears and
Water
everything.
is even worse.
Wow. I bet you there's only one way in and one way out.
Why do they need?
Dude. Is this the driving quarter? That's going up.
Cool stuff.
Wow, what is this? Down.
Can you go
I
up
think
there?
this is already the end.
Little gauges,
I'm not
steering,
going.
controls,
Stay here then.
upper controls. What are all these controls,
What's up there?
guys?
Tell me what's up there. Tell me what's up there.
This
Oh,
is
we're
what
going.
control a submarine. There's the scope so we can look out.
School.
Is it really?
No.
The submarine cooking station.
Dining hall.
Breakfast. Little breakfast area. That's pretty cool.
Look,
Cleaning
there's
sink.
somebody here. There's somebody here.
That's pretty cool. Spaces in the submarine keep getting more narrow and narrower. How do you feel walking through here, Dad?
Hi.
This